Most of the challenges creators face on YouTube is getting views. All right, and one of the ways of getting views is how you post. All right, how you post, how you optimize your videos. All right, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to post, how to optimize that post, because optimization and how you post will make YouTube recognize your video, will make YouTube know this is what your video entail and this is what your video is for, so that, and in that way YouTube will push your video to the right audience. So if you are here and you are struggling with getting views, this video is for you, because one of the reasons why you might not be getting views is how you post your videos. And in this video I'll be teaching you how you should post and also how you should optimize your post. All right, so I'll be sharing my screen with you, how I post and how you should post. So if you like this type of video, feel free to like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification bell and comment any of your questions. All right,
let me teach you how to post well using your YouTube app, and let me also teach you how to know if your video is doing well. All right, and like I said earlier, it does not matter either you are posting through your Chrome version or your YouTube app. The most important thing is knowing how to post very well. All right, so let me teach you how to post very well using your YouTube app. All right, so let's take, for example, we want to post a video now. This plus sign, we click on this plus sign, right? Then we select the video we want to post. Let me say I want to post this video. So once I select this video, I click on next. Then this place where you see add details, this place is very important, because there are a lot of people that don't know the meaning of this place and every details here. So I'll be teaching you those details, those important details. All right, let's say you want to post this video. Let's say you want to create a title. Let's just create a title of, let's just say video uploaded. Okay, let's do it like that. Then the next thing, this visibility. All right, this visibility is very important. Normally it should be at this public, right? But I won't advise you to click on to put it in this public first. All right, the reason is that if you just post your video and you click on this public first and just post it, it won't be fully optimized. If you are using a YouTube app to post videos, I won't advise you to click on public. The reason is that it won't be fully optimized. You still need to do one or certain things on your YouTube studio to make sure that yes, that video is fully optimized. Once that video is fully optimized, YouTube can now know that yes, this is the type of video you are making, and this is the type of audience you want that video to go to, so that video can reach its full potential. All right, now what does this members only means? This is for those that are monetized, right? Members only are members that pay maybe like a certain fee, like subscription every month, and you want to be sharing exclusive videos for them. All right, that is when you click on this members only. Now this unlisted, what does this unlisted mean? This unlisted means that once you post a video, nobody will be able to see it except you send a link to that person. If you want people to see it, you have to use the video link for them to see it. Maybe you share the video link, right? This private, what does this private means? Once you post a video and you put on this private, only you can see it. All right, and this schedule, once you post a video, you can schedule it to any time you want, any day, anytime you want. You set a date, you set a time, so that maybe you don't want to post it now, and anytime you want to post it, you might not be around. You can put it in schedule. All right, so for me, I would prefer us to put this in either unlisted or private. All right, because we don't want it to be in public right now. Okay, now let's put it in private. Then once you put it in private, let's upload. Once you put it in private, let's upload. So while we wait for it to upload, you have to know that uploading the right way is very important. Very important. And also to make sure your videos are optimized is very, very important. I cannot stress how important that is, because if your video is not optimized enough, YouTube won't even push it at all. YouTube won't even push it. Now let me take you through how to know if your video is doing well. All right, now let's go to my YouTube studio. Let's go to my YouTube studio. Let me show you how to know if your video is doing absolutely well. All right, I'm in my YouTube studio, and this is one of my videos, right? In my other channel, this is one of my videos, and as you can see, ranking by views 1/10. That means if you see any of a video showing 1/10, that is a first sign that that video is doing absolutely well. If any of a video is showing 1/10, is doing absolutely well. Then this impression click-through rate, this is another sign for you to know if your video is doing well or not, because YouTube will be telling you if your video is doing well or not. Now let's see what YouTube said about my video. YouTube said people are choosing to watch this video as often as your other videos. The click-through rate is looking good. What YouTube is trying to say here is that my click-through rate is looking good, and people are choosing to watch my video often. My average view duration is 8.23. all right, now let's go to the views. This is where I want to show you now. Let's go to the views. Let's see where that views is coming from, our traffic source. As you can see, browse feature suggested videos. That means YouTube is pushing it. If your traffic source is coming from recommendation, YouTube recommendation, suggested video, browse features, those three, if your views are majorly coming from there, that means YouTube is pushing that video. But if your video is coming from external sources, and unknown sources, all those things are due to maybe you post a video and immediately you start sharing it on your WhatsApp, you start sharing it on your Telegram. No, that means that video is not doing well. That means you don't allow YouTube to push that video. That means you are the one promoting that video by yourself. So if you post a video and you are saying your traffic source is coming from browse features or yesterday video, that means your channel has started picking, your channel is already clicking. But if you post a video and if your views are majorly coming from external sources or no sources, they are coming from different sources you don't even understand, that is showing that it's not YouTube that is pushing your video, that is a bad sign. All right, now let's go to our content that we uploaded earlier to see how to fully optimize your videos. All right, so this is the video that I just posted. As you can see, private is in private now, restriction none. Now this pencil icon, now let's click on this pencil icon. This is where we are going to optimize our video. All right, now then this title, now you can now decide to add any title you want. Remember, your title must have keywords. You can now decide to add any title you want. Let's just say video uploaded to text run. All right, then once you are done, you can now add your description. Let's just say I uploaded this video on YouTube for tutorials. So after you have written your description, you can now put your hashtags. Let's just say tutorial, let's say YouTube video. All right, so your hashtag must correspond with the type of video you are making and who you are targeting. All right, then once you are done, you can now add to playlist. You can add to any playlist you like. You can add to playlist that correspond with the type of video you are making. Remember, this video is just for tutorial sake. All right, so once you are done, now your altered content, you can put yes or no depending on the type of video you want to upload. Then your more options, you can now add your tags. Let's just say my tag will be tutorial YouTube. All right, so you can add your tag. If you have not yet add your category, you can add your category. There are a lot of categories. You can add your category. If you have not yet add your category, you can add your category. So once you are done, what else are we to add? Your monetization. If you are monetized, you can select monetize. You can on your monetization if you are monetized. So once you are done, the next thing you have to do is to set your thumbnail. Remember, your thumbnail must correspond with the type of video you are creating. All right, so you choose your thumbnail. All right, you choose your thumbnail. Let's just say we want to choose this for our thumbnail. Let's say we want to just choose this for our thumbnail so that I won't waste time. You choose your thumbnail. So once you choose your thumbnail, the next thing you have to do is go back to your visibility and click on public. Go back to your visibility and click on public. Once you are done with that, you click on save. Once you are done with that, you click on save. Once you have clicked on save, the next thing you have to do is now start monitoring your views, where your views are coming from, so that you will know the real problem. And I will advise you, once you want to upload your video, if your video is not a video that is time sensitive, maybe you have a specific time of posting, or if your video is not a type of video that you must post it at that moment, maybe it's a trending video, I advise you to wait for at least 24 hours to fully optimize before you fully set it on public, so that YouTube can know that video very, very well. So immediately you post it, YouTube can know who to push it to immediately. All right, but if your video is a video that, yes, you want to post now, that you must post now, after you are fully optimized like this, you can set on public and click on save. So once you click on save, start monitoring where the views are coming from. All right, and I will advise you, once you upload a video, don't start sharing the link immediately. Even if you want to share the link, wait for at least 24 hours. The reason is that you are trying to tell YouTube that, YouTube, I've uploaded a video, help me promote it, do your thing. But if you upload a video and you start sharing the link immediately, and your external sources and your traffic source is reading external at the very beginning, most of your videos are coming from external sources, YouTube will believe that, yes, you don't need my help, you want to promote your videos by yourself. All right, so this is how to get views and optimize your YouTube video correctly. All right, guys, so if you enjoy something like this and you want more, please like, subscribe, share, ask your questions, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you all.